Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. In this video, let us start with a French word and its meaning with daily life sentences. Dear viewers, before entering into the topic, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. As we discussed in the previous video lesson, jusque is a preposition. So this jusque has the meaning until in English. So jusque means until. This word jusque does not come alone. It is always followed by a preposition or an adverb. For example, jusqu'à, jusqu'au, plural jusqu'au, jusqu'à maintenant, jusqu'à présent, etc. Today in this video, let us concentrate on the phrase jusque-là, where jusque is a preposition and là is an adverb. We have already discussed that jusque is a preposition which has the meaning until in English, and là is an adverb which has the meaning there in English. So jusque means until and là means there. Jusque-là means until there. Now let us see what are the other meanings of the French phrase jusque-là. Jusque-là means till then, until then, until there, up to now, up to there, thus far, or so far. These are the several meanings of the French phrase jusque-là. Now let us see the different examples of the French phrase jusque-là in a sentence. Example 1. Vous pouvez continuer jusque-là. You can continue until then or until there. Once again we repeat. Vous pouvez continuer jusque-là. You can continue until there. Avancez jusque-là. Come up to there or move forward there. Avancez jusque-là. Come up to there or move forward there. Third example. Je l'attendrai jusque-là. I will wait for her until then. Je l'attendrai jusque-là. I will wait for her until then. Jusque-là, tout va bien. So far, so good. Jusque-là, tout va bien. So far, so good. L'eau est arrivée jusque-là. The water has reached up to there. L'eau est arrivée jusque-là. The water has reached up to there. Il est venu jusque-là pour étudier. He came this far to study. Il est venu jusque-là pour étudier. He came this far to study. Il avait de l'eau jusque-là. He had water until then. Il avait de l'eau jusque-là. He had water until then. Jusque-là, je n'avais jamais eu mal au dos. Until then, I had never had back pain. Jusque-là, je n'avais jamais eu mal au dos. Until then, I had never had back pain. Vous les reportez jusque-là. You postpone them until then. Vous les reportez jusque-là. You postpone them until then. Allez jusque-là. Go until then. Allez jusque-là. Go until then. Okay then, let's meet in the next video with another French word. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Thank you all. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.